And let's get you the latest when it comes to the Game of Thrones in Karnataka. And it's Siddaramaiah, the Chief Minister of the state, who has come out and said that he will continue to remain the Chief Minister for the entire 5-year term. He's gone on to say that there will be no change in guard. And it is DK Shivkumar also there who has gone on to insist that there is no discord within the party, putting all the rebels as far as, this is the big united front that the two leaders have been putting out over the last 2 days as, Randeep Surjewala was in Bengaluru to, iron out the differences. And, Siddaramaiah now has clearly, cleared the air there, gone on to say that there is no room for speculation, putting an end to all the rumors that have been doing the rounds that there could be a change in guard and that would perhaps not be taking place just yet, but it could happen in the months ahead, perhaps closer to the end of the year. But also DK Shivkumar there saying that, the rebels haven't really spoken to him, and DK Shivkumar there saying that the MLAs should not be talking in the first place, really siding with Siddaramaiah on this. And we saw them shaking hands earlier, holding hands, feeding each other cake, all smiles. And of course, there you have those visuals that have been playing out over the last 2 days. And today Siddaramaiah there on record saying, when asked if he sees himself continuing as the Chief Minister of the state, and that is Siddaramaiah there saying that yes, it is him who will remain the Chief Minister for the entire 5-year term as far as the state of Karnataka is concerned. Now, let's just listen to what the BJP is saying. They're holding a press conference. Listen in.
For next 5 years,
they're and DK that you or Mr. Ashok are not the High Command to really, say that there are going to be any changes in the leadership.
And Shivkumar has said, what option do I have?
I don't expect Chief Minister Siddaramaiah to react to our statement. Of course, being an opposition party, it's our demand that this Congress government should go. People are fed up with this corrupt Congress government. Farmers are upset with the Congress government. But what about Ramnagara MLA statement, Mr. Iqbal's statement? Mr. Iqbal, a MLA from the Congress party from Ramnagara Assembly constituency, he himself has stated, we want an effective Chief Minister to Karnataka. What does this mean? It clearly means Karnataka does not have effective Chief Minister. That means Siddaramaiah is ineffective. Administration has completely collapsed. What about B.R. Patel's statements? Let Chief Minister reply B.R. Patel's statement. Ruling MLAs within the ruling party are demanding the change in the Chief Ministership. They want Siddaramaiah to leave from the CM's post. Let him answer those questions.
Sir, Mr. DK Shivkumar is saying, what option do I have?
Stickers have been put, but people are saying
Sir, Mr. DK Shivkumar is saying, what option do I have?
On the CM change, Mr. DK Shivkumar says, what option do I have? Do you feel that it's out of absolutely no options that they're having to continue with?
Sir, DK Shivkumar is saying,
says, I have no option left, I have to stand by my Chief Minister.
See, I don't want to comment on DK Shivkumar's option. But the fact remains, horse trading has started within the ruling Congress party. Horse trading is going on within the ruling Congress government. MLAs are trying to switch their sides. That's the reason why B.R. Patil, Iqbal, Magadi MLA Balkrishna, including R.V. Deshpande, they are issuing statements against the Chief Minister Siddaramaiah. So I request Honorable Governor to look into this matter.
Sir, the caste survey, the people are putting up stickers on the houses without even talking to the people inside, sir.
See, caste census, it's a dream project of Chief Minister Siddaramaiah. It was he who initiated the census in 2014 itself. But when the report was ready in 2015, why Siddaramaiah, then Chief Minister, failed to implement this? My question today is, are the people of Karnataka asking Chief Minister Siddaramaiah, when state government does not have authority to do caste census, when Siddaramaiah already has spent more than 160 crores, why is he going for a second census? When central government
And there we have the BJP chief there talking about horse trading that has started in the Congress party and MLAs wanting to switch sides. That is what he has gone on to say. Let's just listen in to the BJP reacting to what's really happening in Karnataka. Well, let's first listen in to Siddaramaiah there saying that he's not going anywhere. He's going to continue as the chief minister of the state for the entire 5-year term.
ನೀವು ತಾವು 5 ವರ್ಷ ಸಿಎಂ ಆಗಿರ್ತೀರಿ.
ಹೌದು ನಾನೇ
ಈಗ ಬಿಜೆಪಿ
ಯಾರು
ನವೆಂಬರ್ಗೆ ಬದಲಾವಣೆ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದಾರೆ ಸರ್. ಬಿಜೆಪಿ ಅವರು ಜೆಡಿಎಸ್ ಅವರು ಸರ್.
ಅವರು ನಮ್ಮ ಹೈಕಮಾಂಡ್
ಅಶೋಕ್ ಅವ್ರು ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದಾರೆ ಎಲ್ಲ ಕಡೆ.
ಅಸಮಾಧಾನ ಎಲ್ಲೂ ಇರಲಿಲ್ಲ, ಯಾರ ಅಸಮಾಧಾನ ಇರಲಿಲ್ಲ. ಅವರು ಪಾರ್ಟಿ ವಿಚಾರದಲ್ಲಿ, ಸಂಘಟನೆ ವಿಚಾರದಲ್ಲಿ ಅವರು ರೆಸ್ಪಾನ್ಸಿಬಿಲಿಟಿ, ಅಕೌಂಟಬಿಲಿಟಿ ಫಿಕ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. ಏನೇನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ನಿಮ್ಗೇನು ಈಗಿಂದನೇ ಯಾವ ರೀತಿ ಎಲೆಕ್ಷನ್ಗೆ ಸಿದ್ಧತೆ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಬೇಕು ಅನ್ನೋದನ್ನ ಅವ್ರು ರೆಡಿ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಅವ್ರಿಗೂ ನೋಟಿಸ್ ಕೊಡ್ತೀನಿ, ಬೇರೆಯವ್ರಿಗೂ ನೋಟಿಸ್ ಕೊಡಲೇಬೇಕಾಗ್ತದೆ. ಡಿಸಿಪ್ಲಿನ್ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟು. ನಾನು ಯಾರಿಗೂ ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ನೀವು ನನ್ನ ಹೆಸರು ಹೇಳಿ ನನ್ನ ಸಿ ಎಮ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಅವೆಲ್ಲ ಅವಶ್ಯಕತೆ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಈಗ ಸಿ ಎಂ ಮುಖ್ಯಮಂತ್ರಿ ಇರ್ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಬೇರೆ ವಾಪಸ್ ಯಾರು ನನ್ನಂಥವ್ರು 100 ಜನ ಕಷ್ಟಪಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ, ನಾನು ಒಬ್ಬರೇ ಪಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೇನೆ. ಸಾವಿರಾರು ಜನ, ಲಕ್ಷಾರು ಜನ ಕಾರ್ಯಕರ್ತರು.
And this really comes about at a time with the opposition there reacting, saying that people within the party are asking for that change of guard, changing of Siddaramaiah from the post of the chief minister. As support grows, in fact, for DK Shivkumar, do remember Iqbal Hussain just yesterday said there are more than 100 MLAs who are supporting that change, supporting that DK Shivkumar be made the chief minister. But BJP's chief in the state of Karnataka has gone on to say that horse trading has already started. Deepak joining us to get us the latest. Deepak, you just spoke with the BJP chief in the state of Karnataka, and he's gone on to say that there are many MLAs who want to switch sides.
Yes, it's definitely a big charge now that's coming to the fore from the BJP. The party president of the BJP himself making this charge that there is horse trading that's happening within the BJP, and that's the reason statements of B.R. Patil and Iqbal Hussain should be taken very, very seriously. So while the Congress is dealing with issues to contain and quell dissidents and also contain the statements that are being made from their party legislators, it seems like the opposition, of course, is having a field day, issue after issue coming up, and these are being flagged off by the Congress MLAs themselves. The party president is still here as we speak. In probably a minute or two, I'll try and take a couple of questions from him, because today, the chief minister, of course, reiterated that he is going to continue as the chief minister for the next, 5.
Congress.
Don't want to discuss anything. All lakhs of workers have supported this party. It is not only DK Shivkumar.
DK Shivkumar there also speaking, and that united front that the two leaders have been putting up. Deepak, take us through, of course, after Siddaramaiah says that he is going to continue in the chair of the chief minister. What is DK Shivkumar saying to that?
Well, if you could please repeat that question. I was not.
Deepak, we just saw DK Shivkumar there also speaking, and this is really on the heels of what Siddaramaiah has said, that he will continue as the chief minister for the entire 5-year term. How is DK Shivkumar reacting to this?
this is not internal party matter, this matter.
The statement of Mr. DK Shivkumar was very interesting when he said, what option do I have? Is this a statement that's coming out of in some form of helplessness is the question that will probably be raised. Even more importantly, when Mr. Siddaramaiah says that he will continue for the next 5 years, immediately, a little few minutes later, of saying, what option do I have? Probably symbolizes some form of helplessness at this point in time. What is that helplessness stemming from is probably a question that Mr. DK Shivkumar himself could answer in the days to come, or even the command could answer. But does this mean that it's the end of the political Nataka in Karnataka is a big question, of course.
Right, Deepak, and of course, the BJP, chief in the state is now saying that there's horse trading that's, that has started. First, let's listen into what DK Shivkumar has to say.
I have to to stand by him. I support him. And I don't have any objection to it. Whatever the party recommend us, whatever it decides, it will be fulfilled.
You mean, sir, currently the party is not backing you, sir, right now, because your supporters said you have sacrificed so much for the party. You brought the party to power in the state.
I don't want to discuss anything. All lakhs of workers have supported this party. It is not only DK.
Well, DK Shivkumar there coming out in support of Siddaramaiah and the decision that has been taken. And of course, this really comes at the time when Randeep Surjewala was firefighting in Bengaluru, given the fact that the BJP on the other side is really, gone on to say that there are people within the party who are asking and rather demanding for that change of guard and asking for a shift and asking for, DK Shivkumar to take over and take charge of the state of Karnataka. But Siddaramaiah, who has gone on to say that there will be no change in guard, that's something that is being said, whether it's Mallikarjun Kharge or whether it's Randeep Surjewala, all reiterating and echoing that same sentiment. Deepak, take us through, the kind of claims that are being made as far as the BJP is concerned, saying that horse trading has started. They've also gone on to say that MLAs want to switch sides, and that is something that is also being considered at this point in time. What is the, you spoke with the BJP chief. Take us through the details of what is it that he is accusing the Congress government of.
Well, we heard from the party president. He's saying there's horse trading that's within, the Congress party. Mr. Sriramlu here of the BJP is also with us. Mr. Sriramlu, Mr. Vijendra just pointed out, उन्होंने बोला कि horse trading चल रहा है कांग्रेस के अंदर. क्या आपका भी यही राय?
मेरा राय एक ही है. देखो पहले DK शिवकुमार जी क्या बोले थे, मेरे पास MLAs बहुत कम आई बोल को उसका नजारा पे था. अभी देखो उसका MLA रामनगर MLA बोले 100 MLAs विद DK शिवकुमार जी. मेरे ख्याल से वो देखते रहे तो हार्स रेट 100% हो ही रहेगा. कांग्रेस के अंदर भी हार्स रेट हो रहा है ना. ऑलरेडी मेरे अध्यक्ष भी बोले हार्स रेट हो रहा है, इसलिए वो रामनगर के MLA से बोले. DK शिवकुमार के पास पहले MLA नहीं था, अब 100 हो गए तो बोले तो सिद्धरामैया के पास कुछ नहीं ना. बिकॉज ऑफ हिज फाइनेंशियली वेरी स्ट्रांग, ही वाज डूइंग लाइक दैट. In same party, they are doing horse trading only.
Also, he says, "What option do I have?" Mr. DK Shivkumar now says, "What option do I have?" After Mr. Siddaramaiah said 5 years.
मेरे ख्याल से देखो अभी अधिकार हस्तांतर बारे में देखो वो क्या लाभी बनाना चाहते हैं, वो लाभी बना रहे. अभी सुजरेवाला आया है ना, बिकॉज बिहार इलेक्शन के लिए ये कलेक्शन के लिए आए बिना ये राजनीति के लिए वो लोग नहीं आए.
Well, that was, former minister from the BJP, Mr. Sriramlu, saying that they've just, this is a clear case where horse trading is happening, and that's the reason Mr. Iqbal Hussain has said that over 100 MLAs are now in support of Mr. DK Shivkumar. He's saying that money and muscle is being used to buy MLAs within the Congress party. Back to you.